Santosham. Today, we are going to do Tiryaka Tadasana, also called swaying mountain pose. Tiryaka means swaying, Tada means mountain, and Asana means pose. This standing yoga pose promotes flexibility in the spine, strengthens the legs, and improves overall body awareness and coordination. Let's do the pose. Stand straight with your feet hip-width apart and your arms resting by your sides. Inhale and raise your arms over your head, keeping your elbows straight and interlocking your fingers with your palms facing up. Keep your arms straight and aligned with your ears. Press your feet firmly into the mat and lengthen your spine. Exhale and bend your body to the left, feeling the stretch along your right side. Hold this pose for a few breaths, maintaining steady, even breathing. Inhale, return to the center with your arms raised overhead. Exhale and bend your body to the right, keeping your arms straight. Feel the stretch along your left side. Hold this for a few breaths, focusing on your breath and maintaining your balance. Inhale again and come back to the center with your arms raised. This constitutes one round. Do as many rounds as you feel comfortable. To release the pose, exhale and bring your hands down to your sides and return to a standing position with your legs together. Thank you for watching. Santosham.